Hey guys, what's up? Today we've got another unboxing, and today I've ordered a Dell laptop. So let's go ahead and check it out, what the model is and what the specs are. All right. So this is a laptop which I've ordered from Dell. So it's not a business laptop. It's just one of their regular laptops for the home user. So I'm just going to open up the packing slip and show you guys. So the packing slip says that it's an Inspiron 15-inch 5000 series. As you can see over here, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more for you guys. Right, and it's platinum silver palm rest, fingerprint reader, and it has got a McAfee 12-month subscription. Apart from that, it's got 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of SSD, which is the PCIe NVMe 2. Right, so let's go ahead and let's check out the packing. So first of all, if you order a product from the Dell store, so this is how you get stuff from online. It'll come on in this Dell box, and it has this logo of some batteries with some inflammable marks which says UN3481, and on the top it just says Intel inside, because I normally don't buy AMD computers, I always buy Intel. On the rear it just says Dell. It shows you a logo of a laptop, and on the side it will give you some serial numbers. So let's go ahead and open it up and see how the laptop is. So if you guys are planning to work from home, Dell computers are really good. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Dell in any shape or form, but I just like their stuff because I got their monitor, I got a few other computers, and they are absolutely amazing. The first thing is that it's got a shell like this which protects the upper part of the laptop, and on the side you have some accessories. Let's see what it is. That's the machine, and apart from that it comes with some leaflets. I'll just leave that. Charger, the plug, so that's the UK plug, and that's the charger. That's a 45 watt charger. Here we go. Right, so let's take that out. That's it guys, that's what comes in the box. There's nothing else, and I'm just going to keep the packing on the side and just get into the laptop and show you how it is. So guys, this is the Dell 15.6 inch machine which I've got. It's a bit shiny silver. Just zoom in for you guys. And the logo, the Dell logo, is shiny as well, chrome shine. On the rear you have Inspiron written, embossed, and nice plastic. It's light grey, and over here you have the vent on the back, and that's again place for the vent, and you have the details and the serial number and so on. And here you've got two vents as well, probably those are speaker vents or something like that. On the rear you have the vent, those are the hinges. On the left you have the HDMI port, you have a RJ45 connection, USB port, two USB ports. It's nothing, it's empty. And on the right side we have a SD card slot and another USB port and a Kensington lock. So that's it. So let's open up the laptop itself. So that silver is the same as the palm rest silver. It's a Core i3 10th generation. Here we go. And it gives you some details of this machine, that what the features are. So yeah, as I told you, it's got 8 GB RAM and 256 GB is the SSD. And very slim, sleek, smart, really looks nice. 15.6 inch machine. Got the camera over there, and that's it. So that's the trackpad. Trackpad feels quite sturdy. Keys are very sturdy. They feel pretty good. And I'm just going to zoom in and show you guys more about it. Really nice, feel of the plastic. Build quality is excellent. Dell logo over here. Keys are very smooth, so you can work for longer hours on it. Screen size is perfect, brilliant, 15.6 inch anti-glare display. Fingerprint reader over here, and let's go ahead and turn it on. So the fingerprint reader is actually the power key, and yes, I've just noticed it's got an independent calculator key as well. That's pretty good, handy. Right, so let's switch it on. So I just discovered this website where you can do your benchmark. It's called Silver Benchmark, and we'll see what the response is. So yeah, so it's given a score of P4685. Now I'm not sure what that score is. This is like, you know, we have Internet Edge opened up, and I can feel that it's super smooth. Now let's just restart the computer and see how quick it restarts. So I've hit the timer and the computer has restarted. It's been 15 seconds, and now let's see how long is it going to take. It's 23, 24, 25 seconds, and that's it. So stop. So it's 27 seconds roughly to the screen. So guys, this wraps up my video for this week for this Dell laptop, which I'm really enjoying. At the moment, I'm going to be using this for a few days, and then probably, let's see, I got it for work, and let's see how it goes. So guys, if you're planning to buy a laptop and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. And yeah, let me know how did you like this video, if you want to watch anything else. So just let me know then. Alright guys, catch you in the next video, and bye for now.